Hello guys, and today I'll be showing you how to get a cool cursor like this, my cool rainbow cursor. So, download link will be in the description. You'll go down there, you press download. Then you'll have to unzip it using something. I recommend 7-zip if you don't already have one. It's free and it's very good. And okay, so then you'll go to your file explorer. I'm gonna cut it out for me, go into it, to my file, because, yeah. Okay, so wherever you extracted it from, you'll click on it, and then it'll have Chroma cursor, and then you'll click on it again, and it'll have all these cool looking cursor things. And so then you'll go to this install.infinite. You'll right click on it, and then you'll press install. After you do that, it's gonna ask you like, would you like this to make changes to your devices? Say yes, and then you're gonna go to settings. I already have it opened. Additional mouse options, and then it'll show up this. You click on pointers, and then you click on this drop down, and then you choose Chroma, and then you're done. That's it. Hope you guys liked the video and it helped you out, guys. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe for more random tutorials like this.